All right, guess what? I went outside and got some Fenty. So Rihanna dropped her new cherry line. I already got the face wash and I got the new toner, which I absolutely love, but there's some stuff they didn't have in the store, so I had to order online. So this particular, and I only go to the Sephora at Ultra. I didn't go anywhere else. So I got the Guava Getaway. I like to pair my Smell Good lotions with perfume. So I have an idea of what I want to pair this with. It smells really good. It's a light scent. But I also got her a scent. Well, I thought I had a sample. I guess I tried not, because you know what? I smelled it in the store. Oh, this is what I got. So I smelled the spray in the store and I did not like it. So I decided that I was going to get the, girl, let me get my light together. It came open. The little hand, like the creamy perfume. Watch out, Pop. Move back. Girl, Rihanna, why? I'm just gonna tell you that. Because, ma'am, why? This baby will not come out. Jeez. So this right here, y'all, this was expensive. It was really expensive, but I like to put it, you know, on my, look at that. So pretty. Let me smell it. Oh, y'all smell it. It smells different. It's very, very strong though. This a little will go a long way. There's something jiggling here too. Y'all hear that? I don't know what that is. Hope it's not something broke. Something's jiggling in here. Anyway, but this is beautiful. I think it's really pretty, but it's very strong. I didn't like her spray scent, and I think I can pair this with something else, and it smells really good. I'm not going to pair this with this because I feel like this is a stronger, it's a light scent, but it's a stronger scent. So I got these. And then I got myself some new blush. Now my blush is 20 years old, and I said, you know what? I need to get me some new blush, but I got it in the same color that my old blush, my old fashioned, whatever it's called, blush. So it's this right here. I'm dark skinned, so this shows up really pretty on me. Again, a little goes a long way, and I keep my makeup for a long time, so who cares? And then I got a new liner because the one that I have, I feel like it's making my eyes water. I have the original, the one in the like iridescent purple bottle from Fenty. So I'm hoping that's not it. So what I did is I changed to liquid eyeliner for the next time I go out to see if my eyes still water. And if they do still water, I'll try these. If it doesn't, then I'll send this back. And then this came as a freebie. This was a freebie based on my order. Look at the size of this. Now I like this because I like their cherry skin stuff. So this is what I use on my face after I wax my whiskers or pluck them. And it just exfoliates. And I use this, instead of using my brush, I use this. So I don't use this and a brush. I think that's too harsh on the skin. But I use this and I absolutely love it. Tell me what you guys got of the new line and let me down in the comments below.